This is a difficult one. This is a difficult question. Here the question given is, there are 10 questions which are of 1 mark and there are 10 questions which are of 2 marks. If you unattempt a question, whether it is a 1 mark or 2 mark, it will be a penalty of -half. But if you make it wrong, then in case of 1 mark question, there is a penalty of -1/4 mark. But in case of 2 mark question, there is a penalty of -1/3 mark. So now he's asking a person scores 27.5, what will be his rank? So obviously the first rank will be of the person who got all correct. Who get all correct? All correct means 10 questions are of 1 mark and 10 questions are of 2 marks. So the first rank will be the person who got 30. Now look at the second rank. For second rank, there are two possibilities. Either he left one question unattempted, one unattempt. If he left one unattempt and rest all the questions are correct, one unattempt and rest all correct. Now let's check his marks will be how much. 10 question and there are two cases. One unattempt can be of 1 mark, one unattempt can be of 2 mark. So let's say first case when one unattempt is of 1 mark question. So 9 questions are of 1 mark and 10 questions are of 2 mark are correct. 29 marks. But because 1 is unattempt and there is a penalty of -half, so he will get how much marks? 28.5 marks. Nobody can get 29 marks. In the second case, 10 questions are of 1 mark are correct and 9 questions are of 2 mark are correct. So 28 marks, but because there is a penalty of leaving unattempted, so he will get 27.5 marks. I'm writing down all the marks first, possible cases, and then we'll see what is the rank. So right now I'm removing this rank part. So second case, then we'll make it later. This is second case. Second case, one attempt, rest all correct. There are two possibilities. Now third case. Third case, one wrong, rest all correct. Again, there are two possibilities. One wrong can be of 1 mark, one wrong can be of 2 marks. So 9 of 1 mark are correct, 10 of 2 mark are correct. So 29 marks. But because 1 is wrong, so penalty is of -1/4. So he will get 28.75 marks in this case. And in the second case, 10 questions are of 1 mark are correct, 9 questions are of 2 mark are correct. So 28 marks. But because there is a penalty of 1/3, so 27.66 marks. So after that, obviously the marks will be lesser than 27.5. So can you tell me, if a person get 27.5 marks, at which rank he will be there? There is the first rank. That person is the second rank holder. That person is a third rank holder. That person is a fourth rank holder. And that will be fifth rank holder. So the question is, what will be the rank of the student who get it 27.5 marks? His rank will be fifth. So that is a good question where you have to make all the possible cases. It is more of logic rather algebra question. Okay? Okay. That is simple. That is easy. I have taken this question, but that is easy. Direct AP. You need to find the sum. 2015 question. So we know the sum formula. We will just find how many terms are there. So -100, or you can even ignore the negative sign right now. So number of terms, all even terms. So number of terms from 100 to 64 is first, last minus first upon common difference plus 1. So 36 upon 2, that is 18, 19 terms are there. So what is the sum of 19 terms? You can put it negative sign later on. N by 2 A plus L. So 164 upon 2, 164 upon 2, it's 82. 82 into 19 comes out to be 15. 2 into 9 is 18. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 72 is 75. 7, 2, 5. 1558. And with a negative sign. The correct answer is option B. So that is simple. Sum of AP, I think you can get it very easily. 2016. F is a function, f1 is 1 and fx is 2x plus f of x minus 1 for each natural number x is greater than or equal to 2. So if I, let's say, find f of 2, what do we get? We get 2 into 2 plus f of 1. What is f of 1? F of 1 is 1. So 4 plus 1, f of 2 comes out to be 5. Similarly, f of 3, you will get a pattern. Obviously, you will not go till f of 31, you will get a pattern. So that is 2 of x. So 2 into 3 plus f of 2. What is f of 2? F of 2 is 5. So you'll get 6 plus 5. It's 11. What is f of 4? F of 4 is 2x plus f of 3. 8 plus f of 3, that is 11, that is 19. Are you getting some relation? That is increasing by 6, that is increasing by 8. And I write it f of 1 as well. F of 1 was given, that's 1. So here, if you can notice, that is near to 4. So can I say this is 2 square plus 1? This is near to 9. Can I say this is 3 square plus 2? That is near to 16. That is 4 square plus 3. And here it is 1 square plus 0. So basically it is nothing. It is f of x, I generalize it, or f of n is equal to n square plus n minus 1. That is the generalized form. X square plus x minus 1. So what do we need to find? We need to find f of 31. So I'll directly get the answer. F of 31 is 31 square plus 31 minus 1, that is 30. 961 plus 30, that is 991. That is the answer. Option D is the correct answer. So first you need to find the pattern. Okay? If you do these 20 questions, you will get an idea what kind of algebra questions appear in XAT. So nothing different from CAT, let's say, I should say. A is not equal to B, B is not equal to C, or I should say mod A is not equal to B, mod B is not equal to C, mod C. And they are lying in the range of 10 to minus 10. What will be the maximum possible value of ABC minus A plus B plus C? Now, if I take all positive, then I need to subtract the positive sum. But if I take two negative and one positive, so if I take two negative and one positive, this will become positive, and minus this is also negative, and negative becomes positive. So it will be maximum when I take two negative and one positive. And take two negative bigger because we need the maximum sum. So take any order. Let's say I'll take three values, minus 10, minus 9 and 8. So I have taken two bigger negative values and one positive value in this order. So the maximum possible value will be minus 10 minus 9 into 8 minus minus 10 minus 9 plus 8. If I take other way around, minus 8 minus 9 plus 10, the sum will be smaller, right? I'm sure that you are getting the logic. So that is 720, and that is minus 19 plus 8, that is minus 11, and minus minus will become plus. So what is the maximum value? The maximum value comes out to be 731. That's why I'm again repeating. This seems simple now, it is not. In the first case, you will tempt to take basically bigger values, bigger positive values, 10 into 9 into 8, 720. But here you will get the positive sum, so ultimately you have to subtract something. But here we are getting negative sum, and negative negative becomes positive, so we are adding something. So वो थोड़ा ध्यान रखना है.